Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to create Fedex business account. Creating a Fedex business account is a straightforward process and it can be done entirely in just a couple of steps. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in fedex.com and search. Once you get to the official site for Fedex, go ahead and scroll down and you will be able to see this Start Saving button. Click on it and click on Open a Business Account on the next page. Fill out the online application form displayed on the next page. This will require your business contact information including your name, address and contact address information. Also make sure to enter the zip code, state, the name of your city, and then a valid phone number, and also make sure to enter your email address in the text box. After entering all of the information, scroll down and click on Enter Login Details. On the next page, you can create your user ID and your password. Select if you would like to use your email as your user ID. You can check on this first option in order to use email, or you can also create your own user ID by selecting the second option. Choose one of your preferences and then enter a password you would like to set for your account. Make sure that these criteria are mentioned in your password so that you can create a strong password for yourself. After creating a strong password, re-enter the password on the next field. After you are done, click on this I've read box, and if you want to receive updates from Fedex with promotions and important information, check this second box as well. If you don't want to receive them, you can simply uncheck the box or leave it unchecked and click on Create My User ID. After you've created a user ID, now select your account type on the next page, enter the name of your company, and add your shipping address if applicable. Finally, click Create Account, and for the final step, you will need to add a credit card or your debit card as a method of payment. Follow through the instructions till the end, and you will then be able to create Fedex business account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.